The announcement of the new Intel 13th generation, otherwise known as Raptor Lake, Intel has graciously given us a copy of the press kit to unbox and quickly talk about what to expect with the new CPUs coming this month. So without further ado, let's unbox this press kit and take a closer look at what to expect with the new processors, as well as the specifications that come with 3 tiers and 6 new CPUs coming this generation. So as you can see, it does follow the Intel blue that you're very well accustomed to. On the front, you can see a die-shot graphic right on the top, as well as another on the back. So as we open, let's take a look inside. So first you can see it is cluttered with a whole die shot pattern all over. It does look pretty cool, it does look kind of futuristic. I'm really digging the style. So when opening, you can actually open up this flap here and you'll see that it has an acrylic base with the information about the processors right inside. Within the other flap, we'll be finding the 2 new processors that we have inside. So the first one being the Intel Core i9, and the lowest tier, the Intel Core i5. So to start out, there's 2 processors that we have inside. The Intel i9 13900K, their leading model with up to 5.8 GHz performance, core turbo frequency, 24 cores, 9 performance and 16 efficient cores, 32 threads, 36 megabytes of Intel Smart Cache, and 32 megabytes of total cache. And then their lower tiered i5 13600K processor, capable of going up to 5.1 GHz of max P-core turbo frequency. 14 cores, 16 performance, and 8 efficient, 20 threads, and lastly, 24 megabytes of Intel Smart Cache and 20 megabytes of the total cache. Overall, Intel's new 13th gen is said to be a massive improvement when compared to both the 12th generation and AMD's previous generation, with the new i9 13900K being the fastest desktop processor in the world according to the time of the filming. Intel wants to make it clear that this new generation of processors will not only have a performance boost for not only your gaming needs, but also a leap in the right direction when it comes to creative performance and overclocking experience. If you're looking to upgrade and grab yourself one of these, you can find them in stock later this month. We'll also be doing a live event in our store in Markham, Ontario, where I'll be there in the building process of our newest generation of desktops. As always, leave a like, comment about what you want to see, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on another video. So come by, say hi, and I'll see you all in the next video.